So this is the inside of the Xiegu G90. You can see that honeycomb design that it's covering up. And that's how it does, it's like 20% infill. So this is a knob for the G90. I don't know for sure if you have to do something special to it. I have not actually removed the one on mine. This one doesn't have the kerneling on it. The other one I printed that had the kerneling on it kind of looked a little funky. So I thought I would do this one here, which doesn't have it. I think the problem, see, we can see the shadow of the honeycomb. And I think that's what I was seeing on the other knob. So I think that maybe printing this, especially if you're going to use something cheaper, maybe just fill it like 75%, and maybe you won't get that, because it looks like it's going to probably still be inside the print. We'll see after it makes a couple of passes. I think that's its second or third pass on the front to cover up, so it's in its final stages. It's at 96%, so it's not going to build up very much more material on the front here. In fact, it might even be done, I don't know. But we can see the dimpling. At least I can. I mean, I guess it's not the end of the world, but some of the stuff that I've printed of like, okay, this looks okay, it's cool, it's functional, but it's not really up to my standards as far as like quality and production marks on it and stuff like that. So yeah, I can definitely see it. I think when you do a 20% infill, I don't really think there's any way to hide that. Unless you tell it to like print a ton of stuff on the end. So let's see if this comes out any better than the other one. Maybe I can try. This is, some of this stuff's really stringy too, and that ends up contributing to some other issues. You can see the stringiness in a few places. So it looks like it is going to do maybe 4 or 5 layers. Hopefully, when it gets done, it's at 99%, so I think this is its last layer. When it gets done, hopefully it will be not noticeable. I may never even use these anyways. I'm just kind of doing this to learn. So, and I guess, you know, not everything you print you're going to want to use, you know. So what I don't understand is the PLA, I'm using right here, it's supposed to be cheaper. Okay, so it is done, and it looks like a toy. This is fit for a Ubitix or whatever those things are. So that came off pretty easy. The deal here. I am going to save all this stuff because I hear. Well, this isn't even the same as the other one. I wonder if it's designed to go. See, like it did this. I have no idea why that would be there. It printed it this way, you know. So somehow it prints a gigantic line in the thing. What I would do with one of these is I would definitely sand it. What I'll do is I'll give it to my kid to play with and let him wear all the crap off it. So, I don't know if this is supposed to just slip over the end of the G90. Kind of like the 450 knob I printed. Because the other one that I printed looks like this. Completely different. That sounds like the originals. How many times can I drop something? Okay, so these here also have that same line in them. So I'm not sure if that's like a stop and start mark. And this got it too. So, like for using these for legs on a Xiegu, you're going to notice that right away. Because the legs on a Xiegu aren't shiny like where's the, I haven't even compared these. So you definitely want to sand these ones for sure. So anyway,